next thing we're going to start with is the front wheel. So you need to spin the front wheel to check for anything that's wrong with bald patches or gashes and stuff like that in the tyre. Check the pressure, squeeze it, make sure it's hard. Then you give it a tap on the wheel and check that that's not going to fall off or anything like that. The next thing we're going to starting with is the forks. So on the forks, you need to just feel them, check that there's nothing wrong with them, check there's no dents or anything in them, cracks, or paint that's flaked off that doesn't look right. Next, we're going to check the handlebars. So you need to get on your bike and hold on to the stem and give it a wiggle, check for any play. Then you need to turn around and go on here, hold your wheel in place and check there's no play in the front here either. Next we're going to look at the frame. So on the frame, feel it, it's the same what we did on the forks, just feel it, check there's nothing wrong with it, dents or cracks or anything that looks wrong. Then yeah. Next we're going to look at the pedals and cranks. So on the cranks, spin them. Check that they're spinning nicely, like if they're stopping and starting, then that's obviously wrong. And then give the pedals a little wiggle, check that they're staying on nicely, and keep your hands away from the chain. Last but not least, the back wheel. So, spin the back wheel, same as we did on the front wheel, and give it a tap. Make sure it doesn't fall off, and also check the tyre pressure. Then, spin it and check the brakes.